Did you know that Lowe's offers multiple business financing solutions to fit the specific needs of your business? The Lowe's Business Account is a revolving credit card account that gives pros the flexibility to carry a balance or pay in full each month. The Lowe's Business Account gives pros a choice when managing their monthly cash flow. Cardholders can pay over time by making a minimum monthly payment or pay in full. The Lowe's Business Account offers pro credit benefits that save you time and money, such as 5% off eligible purchases every day, discounted delivery, exclusive cardholder savings events, convenient billing and invoicing options, including product-level details with purchase order or job name tracking. And with all our business financing solutions, there is never an annual fee. All Lowe's Business Account customers receive access to our convenient online account management service that gives you 24/7 access to your account to help you manage your business on your schedule. This service provides electronic billing and payments, scheduling options for your monthly payments, conveniently download transaction details into popular business software products like Quicken and QuickBooks, request a credit limit increase, and much more. Are you ready to apply? Just stop by your local store's Pro Desk to submit your application. It takes just a few minutes to apply for your new Lowe's Business Account. If you're going to do it right with your Lowe's Business Account.